Here are 4 shocking facts about the shoebill stork, the bird that looks like it came from a horror movie. Fact 1. The shoebill stork is over 5 feet tall and has a massive shoe-shaped beak that can crush prey in one strike. Fact 2. It can stand completely still for hours. This patience helps it ambush fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Fact 3. When shoebills greet humans, they bow their heads slowly. It looks polite, but also extremely intimidating. Fact 4. Their stare is not accidental. Shoebills lock eyes to judge movement. Once they strike, there's almost no escape. Follow Tiny Tales for more amazing animal secrets every day.